Good morning, children. Welcome to your physics class. Last class we were discussing laws of reflection. There we understand that image formed by a plane mirror follow two laws. The laws of reflection are when reflection take place on plane mirror, there are two laws are there. What are the laws of reflection? Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. There we learned that angle I equal to angle R. That is the first law. What is the first law of reflection? Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. Second law, we learned there are three rays we learned: incident ray, reflected ray and normal. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal. If I represent IRN, these three rays lie on a same plane. That we can see how it is happening in the case of plane mirror and how image is formed. Today that only we are discussing how image is formed by plane mirror. That is the topic we are discussing today. So before that, how you know these laws of reflection, angle of incidence and reflection are equal. Then these three rays, incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie on a same plane. So dear children, here you can see a picture representing image formation. Here we are considering two rays from a source O. O, then we can say object. Then from the object light rays fall on the mirror PQ. If PQ represents mirror, it will be reflected. If it is angle of incidence, point of incidence, this is normal we have. These reflected rays, these two are incident rays from the object, these two are reflected rays. They appear to come from this point I. So O is object, here we have I. What we have? I is the image. When we observe deeply, when we observe perfectly, when we see that both distances are equal from the mirror, this distance we say object distance, this is image distance. So we can write object distance and image distance are equal. Object distance and image distance are equal in the case of a plane mirror. Object distance equal to image distance. This is one of the first property we are learning in the case of plane mirror image. So while image formed by a plane mirror, distance from mirror to object and distance from mirror to image both are equal. If it is 1 meter, image also 1 meter from the mirror. If I am standing 2 meter from the mirror, image also formed 2 meter behind me. So behind the mirror. So we can see that object distance and image distance are equal. Then the image formed, we see that it is erect image. Image is erect. Image is erect. What is the meaning of erect? Erect means upright image. Suppose this is a head part, this is lower part, it appears as like that only. It is erect image. Opposite inverted image, like that. If we see get image, inverted image. Suppose this is the object we have, image also like that. Then means erect. We see head up, then we have a erect image. Opposite inverted image only. In the case of concave mirror, you will study later, it will form image as inverted image also. But in the case of plane mirror, we are learning image is erect. Erect opposite what will be inverted. Third point, we are going to learn about a plane mirror. This size equal only. Size of the object and the size of image equal. Size of image are equal. Suppose I am 6 feet man, image also 6 feet. If suppose you are 5 feet man, image also 5 feet. So size of the object and size of the image are equal. Fourth point, image is formed behind the mirror, where object is in front of it. Image is formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror, where object is in front of it. So what is the first point? Object distance and image distance are equal. image is erect, size of the object and size of the image are equal. Size means height equal only. Then image formed behind the mirror where object is in front of it. Next property, image it could be obtained on a screen. That image is real image. Real image is formed. Real image. It could be obtained on a screen, real image. But in the case of plane mirror, it will form a real opposite virtual image. So, in the case of plane mirror, we can write a virtual image. Image formed by a plane mirror virtual image. It could be obtained on a screen, what I said, a real image. But in the case of plane mirror, image is virtual only. Virtual opposite real. Virtual opposite, what is the opposite virtual? Real. Virtual opposite real. But in the, we are learning about the plane mirror. So plane mirror forms what image? Virtual image. What's the meaning of virtual? That it cannot be caught on a screen. If it will be obtained on a screen, what we say? Real image. So that's why image which is obtained on a screen, real image. But in the case of plane mirror, it is not obtained, so image is virtual. Next point what we are going to learn about a plane mirror is image is laterally inverted. Image is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted. That I will explain. So by that total 6 points we learned. The first one, object distance and image distance are equal. Image is erect. Size of the object and the size of the image are equal. Image is formed behind the mirror where object is in front of it. Then image formed by a plane mirror is virtual image. Then image is laterally inverted. What's the meaning of lateral inversion? Suppose this is plane mirror. If I show V letter, this is right hand side and this is left hand side of the letter. It appears as like that only on image. Means right and left are interchanged on image. When right and this right and left interchanged, we say lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. What we say? Lateral inversion. That is very important point that we can see when ambulance, when ambulance letters, how it is written on ambulance. Ambulance letter is lateral inversion way only it is written. Left and right interchanged. How when we look at the image, when we write ambulance and see on a mirror, how it is observed, that we can see the case of a plane mirror. So these are the points. Object distance and image distance are equal. Image is erect. Size of the object and size of the image are equal. Image formed behind the mirror where object is in front of it. Virtual image is formed. Image is laterally inverted. Then left and right are interchanged. What we say? Lateral inversion. We say lateral inversion. These all points you have to learn about the plane mirror. So by this we conclude class. Next class we will learn there are two types of reflection. That only we are going to learn next class. Textbook we have to read well, and this also question form it is written. Find out answers from textbook. Thank you children.